Good evening. We're at Little America in Flagstaff, Arizona. Let's take a look at a typical room. Tonight we're in room 199. This is in the third bungalow of the Little America Flagstaff. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. Now, Little America has been a mainstay of folks coming to visit the Grand Canyon, Flagstaff, and Arizona for many years. It is a well-established property, but as you can see from the fits and finish, actually very well renovated and in very good shape. You'll see here, you have a coffee maker, microwave, safe. I don't think I have anything worth putting in there right now. Refrigerator. And a closet area. The bathroom, I will tell you, I think is really nice. All first-class finishes and some nice artwork, very pleasing. It's also great for families. You have here, a place where you can brush your teeth, a sink out here, and you have a second unit in here with the shower and toilet area and a door that closes, so allowing families some privacy. The shower and everything here, we'll just show you, is again very modern with nice Bigelow shampoos and other products, and again really the level of cleaning and detail here is very, very nice. Things are very well put together and modern. Now, I'll mention that this is actually for a relatively reasonable, you're going to find reasonable rates here. But let's show you the rest of the room. So here's a microwave area. We'll give you an idea of some of the typical views outside of a room. As you can see, there's actually a gorgeous area that you can go for a walk. There is, in fact, a small patio that you could go out on right here. This is a corner room, and you'll see that the bed and bedside tables, all tastefully finished in a Arizona theme. Really appropriate for the continental shelf here in Arizona. Take a look out this side here. Again, I think this is obviously out to the parking lot, but really comfortable, quiet, noise that you're not going to hear. I'm going to say that this is one of the best rooms that you're going to find in Flagstaff, and a place that if you're going to the Grand Canyon with your family, as a couple, as an individual, or on business as I am at today, you'll be very, very happy. Again, one of the things you'll want to consider is, well, I think all the rooms have been pretty similar, other than obviously some of the suites and otherwise, but really, overall, I think you'll enjoy the Little America Flagstaff. I hope you check it out.